Hey guys, thought of making a quick clip on Tesla. Got a few messages on what's going on with this stock. So uh, you know without any emotional attachment towards the stock, we'll just try to analyze it on different time frames and see what's going on, right? And try to be logical. So monthly bar, right? We only have a couple of days left before this monthly bar closes, and from what it looks like, this was the resistance on the way up, and then we had this breakout bar, right? A little bit of follow through at the upside, and then since then it's just been not consecutive, but still lower highs, right? From lower lows perspective, yes, that is also in play. We have top wicks most of the past few months, so from that perspective, trend is down in the monthly time frame, but we are at a important zone, because this was resistance on the way up, and once we broke out, that's exactly where we are right now. So the new monthly bar will start and could move back up, at least give it a little bit of bounce. But instead of predicting that, let's try to dig into the weekly time frame and just try to see where we can trade, where the price can gravitate towards in the short term. So on the weekly time frame, still right now you can see the trend is down, right? Top wicks, bearish trend bars are in play. Any bullish days we see, they're mostly overlapping, and then if there is an indication of some sort of a breakout, it just does not sustain through the day, and it just sort of sold off. In a weekly view, right, this is also was an uptrend line right over here, this up channel, right? We broke down and closed below that week or two ago, and this last week we saw a little bit of bounce, but again closed weak, right? So where can we go from here? On a weekly time frame, this is a level, and then 178 is a level, right? Because if you look at in the weekly time frame, this was sort of the play, right? This was the breakout. So this is the short-term level 195 that we can move towards on weakness. And then of course if it goes below that 178. From a daily perspective, right, you can see any bullish day we see, there is no follow through to the upside. It's lacking this sort of structure where we have bullish trend days, right? There is no bullish trend days. There's all bearish trend days, right? With top wicks and absolutely price just sort of closing towards the low end of its daily range. So still a weakness. Here is the Friday bar, an inside day, right? So no strength to the upside. So now if you want to play bullish on this name, right, you don't have to be a hero or try to catch the bottom, right? So let's dig into a 4-hourly view, and let me bring out the levels. So from 4-hourly view, right, we can see this was the rejection on Thursday and again on Friday. I did play this rejection zone on Friday, right, because that's what I think I gave that sort of a play in the morning. But anyways, here's the hourly chart. Actually, let's go into a 30-minute view just so that we can see on an intraday basis where is the weakness coming from. So here, yeah, 214.8, right? Unless or until we can get above that, right? That's Thursday, Friday. Unless or until we can get above that and have a close above that, maybe flag above it or something, we can, it's hard to be bullish on this name. If we do get that, then the structure high is between 220 and 223. Then that becomes your natural upside target, as that's the structure high right here. So that can be your target once we're above 215 level. Anything below 215 intraday, yes, you can have some strength, but again, the preference would be too short, right? You have this sort of down trend line as well, some strength, then sells off again. So giving up 205 opens up lower lower level like 195 and all that zone to target, because if we break this support zone right here, so far we have been getting bounces, but those bounces have been getting weak and weak. So all right, hope you guys like this. Take care.